Condemning the attack on goods trucks on April 16th at Tolen village near Kamai, the driver unions of Manipur has declared indefinite bandh with effect from April 19th on Imphal Ziribam route along National Highway number 37. According to SKTV, Ziribam's correspondent, around 250 laden trucks have been stranded in Ziribam, including oil tankers. Speaking to our correspondent, a driver expressed discontentment over the security measures, stating that drivers will not operate on National Highway 37 route until the government ensures their security and safety. Stating that an indefinite shutdown will be imposed with effect from 6 a.m. of tomorrow, he urged to all CSOs and transporter union to support their decision. He further appealed to the authority concerned to extend aid to the injured drivers. The aggrieved drivers also shouted slogans condemning attack on goods trucks.
Hayang ayuki kung taruk tawa matandagi National Highway Imphal Ziribam lambi akoi driver mayamna ban tawjaragani akoi security matik chana pidaba RP matik chana tadaba sina matugina ban tawjabani driver chinaw mayam chaliba National Highway sida security matik chana RP matik chana tadri bawa akoi gari thawwa lepsagani akoi driver chinaw singda soi bisigi khitipuron amadi matung tarakpada thokko khuymakta government sarana khitipuron pigani haibagi thajabado hamaba matungda akoi gari mu makha tara chathajagani